Everybody, welcome back to another unboxing, and today I'll be unboxing Black Panther. Yeah, can't zoom out, there we go. So yeah, it's the Vibranium Black Panther actually, from Marvel. An Avenger. I'm gonna plan on seeing the movie when it comes out, so let's unbox this today. It's actually pretty easy. Let's unbox. There we go. Description says, armed with Vibranium power technology, Black Panther protects the kingdom of Wakanda, and that's it. Except that was in different languages. Black Panther symbol, noise, and here we are. We have the main man himself, along with his weapon of glory. Oh, jeez. I dropped that. Put that over there. What's that? Oh, anyways. Black Panther. Let's see if I can get him out. There he is. Come on. Come on. Oh. Not as bad as the Superman one. Oh, there we go. Ah, yes. Black Panther. He's saying hi. Nice articulated figure. Kind of like this is from Target, so it's pretty good. Ooh, got the armor out. Get that over there. Looks nice. I think I can fit this in here. Bam. He is armed and ready to defend Wakanda. Let's see how tall he is. Oops. So, hold up. So these guys are pretty much the same height, just Superman's a little taller. And yeah, I think I will be doing another unboxing video soon. Unsure of when though. We'll find that out. In the meantime, hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe for more. I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye. And sorry if this video was quiet. I have to go to bed soon. Yay.